back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys the Air Fear God Raids that just dropped in the light bone colorway. And first I want to say, like, this shoe is beautiful. I'm in love. I'm going to be rocking them all summer long. And yeah, a little history behind this shoe. This is a redesign from an old Nike shoe, the Air Raids, that dropped in 1992, and they were a outdoor basketball shoes. So yeah, this is Jerry Lorenzo's little twist to it.
See, my days are cold without you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. 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 See, my days are cold without you.
Alright guys, so starting off with the color of the shoe, the top is this light gray finish and the sides are a leather material, and the front material is this suede. The bottom is an air sole and it is white. But honestly, looking at the shoe, the reason why I really love this shoe is just how versatile the shoe can be. Like, I can style it so many different ways, and the reason why is because, look, you have the shoelaces, and then you have this toggle, and then just like the old design, you have the straps right here. I haven't really played around with it yet because I just got the shoe and I wanted to show you guys, but you can style it so many different ways. And if that is something you would like to see, like in a future video, just let me know in the comments below. Maybe I could throw some fits together for this and style them different ways. But that is, like, seriously what I love about this shoe, just how versatile it can be. So if you were looking to grab yourself a pair, I would honestly would really try. These shoes are sick. They look good with shorts, they look good with pants. Yeah, and they are retailed at $190. Resell is like, I don't know, like $250, $240. It's going up and down on StockX and then Go. Yeah, so my final thoughts on the shoe is, like, I love it. I think you guys should definitely get yourself a pair if you're thinking about it. And yeah, so if you like what you see, please comment down below, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this content. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah.